Manchester. I just thought I'd get in and wave a hand at you this morning, Rick.
Hey, Roger, on that Yardbird, we ain't no doubt about it, man. You cutting through all the hash and trash, and I got it all close. You said it all. Hello, Yardbird around Manchester 10. Sent a whole bunch of good in my receive this morning in California. Yardbird, Charlie Brown. Charlie Brown saying have a good Sunday, and we'll talk to you again, no doubt about it. Yardbird, Charlie Brown, Santa Cruz, California, getting on down.
I appreciate it, Charlie Brown. Got a good day go around, man. Got it all. You said it all. I'm standing grand on the band. Enjoy your Sunday afternoon out there down Cruz, I believe you said. Yeah, wave a hand. I'm back there.
Bye, Yardbird. Bye.